we are charging the batteries. This is another part of the video. Now, since we don't have the sun, this is a nighttime, then I'm just simulating just like this is a nighttime for the batteries instead of the charge controller to do the job. Check this out. This is the voltage we set for the batteries. These batteries can go up to about 16.8 volt max charge, and I'm using MAISHEN MAISHEN MN-3010DS power supply. So 10 amp, so almost like a 12 volt. So I have it on constant voltage. You can say there's a constant voltage, constant amperage, but you don't want to get the BMS mad, so it will get hot or warm if you increase the amps and the volts. So I set it a higher voltage and the amps have to drop. So you go vice versa. If the amps are high, the voltage is low. If the voltage is high, you bring in low amps. Let's check the charge controller. Here goes the charge controller. Right now the batteries are sitting at 16.2. So they get into the it's not too far, it's about 8 millivolts. But I'm doing a top balancing of these batteries. I'm bringing them all the way up because I don't know how long the batteries have been sitting. I don't know if they ever top balance them. So I'm bringing them all the way to the 16.8 if the BMS can tolerate that. Then we'll go back and leave them there. For the first time we charge them all the way up. So seems like the BMS kind of little happy. These two are the ones, two batteries here and there. Those modules are the ones like getting really iffy a little bit, maybe due to the balancing. Let's go to the kilowatt meter where this power has been plugged to that thing right here and to the grid. Let's check it out. Let's see how many watts we're taking from the grid. Here goes the kilowatt meter, the kilowatt easy meter, the P3, and you guys can see we only pull about 135 watt, and earlier we're bringing up to about 180, which the BMS gonna go on and off. It turns the charger off and come back on, turn back on, and we pull it only 1.83 amps at 120.6 volt. So this is what is happening right now, live at the command center of JW Solar USA in Minnesota, charging the batteries at night, doing an experimental thing. No rest at all, just keep doing our thing, bringing you the videos live here at JW Solar USA. We're still putting out constant voltage right there. You have to do the fine tuning. It says fine and get that cursor. So you don't want to push too much amps into this. This is why I don't trust it. It's not like any 10 gauge, or it's not gonna be able to handle a 10 amps. You get warm. So, and voltage is going up, and we're making progress. That's the thing. This is what is showing you in the real life, and the other one here is showing you what is already in the battery. Okay, I like to watch that part better. We're still doing that, and tomorrow we're going to be showing this big guy doing his thing right here. This is the project I was working on, and it's already get completed today, and you see exactly what is happening here. They are now in a balancing mode because I have the breakers already on. So I have the video, that video you just watched, and this is the next thing we're gonna be doing tomorrow morning after Easter. That'll be April 10, 2023, right? Batteries are holding up pretty well. No heat at all. It's getting cooler. And here we go. And there we are. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Love you guys all. Bye for now.